In front of me, I have one of my old t-shirts that I have gotten from the Prince Musicology Tour in 2004. I love this t-shirt so much, but it's faded. And because it's faded, I decided that I'm going to cut it up and put it on a jean jacket. So I reached out to Ericka over at Honey Art Studio, which is located at 1981 Sutter Street, and asked her if she'd been interested in me teaching another sewing class for her. I've done sewing classes for her in the past. So this time it would be a basic hand sewing class. And the end product of that skill would be blinging out a jean jacket. So she and I are talking about it and thinking about doing it. Is this something you think you'd be interested in? Let me know. But in the meantime, I want you to really look at this beautiful t-shirt that I have of Prince.